Determine the pH of a strong acid or a strong base. The three equations you have to know is pH is equal to the negative log of the hydronium ion concentration. pOH is equal to the negative log of the hydroxide concentration. And pH plus pOH is equal to 14 because it's based upon the pH scale. So, we're only going to do strong acids, so they ionize 100%. So HCl is a strong acid. So in water, it forms the hydronium ion and a chloride ion. The only thing that we're interested in is this hydronium ion. So if we have a hydrochloric acid solution that is 0.0035, if we look, it is a 1 mole to 1 mole ratio. So this is going to lose 0.0035. The hydronium ion then is going to become 0.0035, or we can just call it 3.5 times 10 to the negative third molarity of the hydronium ion. So then I can find the pH. The pH then is equal to the negative log of the 3.5 times 10 to the negative third. Now, it's tricky putting this into the calculator. You're going to put in the 3.05 times 10 to the negative third, or 0.0035, and then you're going to take the log of that value, and it actually comes, this part right here comes out to be negative 2.45. But a negative times a negative is a positive, so the pH is 2.45. As an example there. So if we have something that has a, let's say a 0.00016 molarity NaOH, first of all you got to realize this is a base. So NaOH in water, it's strong, it ionizes 100%, it's soluble, it gives you sodium ions plus the hydroxide ion. It's a base. So if this is 0.00016 molar, it is a 1 to 1 ratio. This is going to be 0.00016 molar. So instead of finding the pH, we now can find the pOH is equal to the negative log of the 0.00016. So the pOH then for this is going to be, we'll just call it 3.80. So that means the pH is going to be 10.2. And I would expect that because it's on the basic scale. How did it get to 10.2? 10.2 plus 3.8 is equal to 14. And that was from one of the very first equations that we have right here. pH plus pOH. So if you're dealing with the acid, you can find the pH. If you're dealing with the base, you find the pOH, and then using the equation pH plus pOH gives you 14 as a way to determine the pH of a base. You would expect the pH of bases to be basic, or greater than 7. You'd expect the pH of acids to be acidic, which would be less than 7.